Hey there tech enthusiasts, and welcome to Safety Detectives. I've tested and reviewed dozens of cleaners out there, and here's my countdown for the most turbocharged cleanup ninja software available. But what exactly are PC cleaners, and how are we sizing them up? Think of PC cleaners as your computer's personal janitor, tidying up, optimizing performance, and keeping things running smoothly. We're comparing them based on ease of use, effectiveness, feature variety, and system impact. Just one quick thing before we dive into the full list: if at any point you want to get any of these PC cleaners, we'll have a direct link in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out. Using our links gets you the best available deal and greatly supports our channel, which we really appreciate. I wasn't expecting to have a PC cleaner from an antivirus company to claim number one, yet here we are. TotalAV performed incredibly well on my tests, and it is super user-friendly, so let's get into it. Firstly, and quite importantly, TotalAV doesn't intimidate you with its high-tech wizardry. Even if you're the type to accidentally delete important files thinking that they're junk, we've all been there, TotalAV has a friendly interface that's easy to use. And let's talk features, shall we? TotalAV provides system tune-up, absolutely stellar. It boosts your PC speed by removing unnecessary files, frees up memory, and optimizes startup processes. As for the interface, it's top-notch as well. Clean, straightforward, and easy to navigate. You won't find yourself lost in a maze of buttons and menus, and everything you need is organized in one intuitive display. A browser cleanup, a junk file cleaner, a startup manager, PUP removal, an application uninstaller, and my personal favorite, the duplicate file finder. And no, you don't need 7 copies of that funny cat video, trust me. The browser cleanup feature clears out your web history and cookies. No more ad trackers stalking your every move, or any unsavory cookies cramping your style. And speaking of style, the junk file cleaner is so efficient, even Windows disk cleanup might get jealous. One more thing I adored, the application uninstaller. It makes getting rid of those programs that you never use a breeze. And let's not forget about the malware scanner. PUP's bloatware adware, TotalAV's definitely got you covered. Removing these sneaky files will not only boost performance, but also secure your PC from any security threats. Another intriguing thing about TotalAV is even with all of its power, its antivirus scanner is like a ninja, fast and lightweight. Some of the big names out there will have your PC huffing and puffing during scans, but with TotalAV, it's like it's not even there. Beyond the cleaner, TotalAV is the total internet security package. Fast VPN, check. Browser security tools, check. Identity theft protection, double check. And to wrap it all up with a pretty bow, their internet security plan covers up to 5 devices with all of the bells and whistles that you could possibly want. Not to mention all of their plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You love to see it. So if you're looking for a PC cleaner that's the entire package and then some, TotalAV is the way to go. Alright, there you have it guys. Before I sign off, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and smash the subscribe button for more videos like this one in the future. Stay tech savvy, and may your PC always run as smoothly as a hot knife through butter. Until next time, this is Safety Detectives signing off.